How to fix country option not showing in FPL. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you on how you can fix the country option not showing in FPL. For this, you want to open the PL app on your device. If you do not have this application, you can head over to Play Store or App Store in order to download and install this. Once you have it installed, open the PL application. Now tap on the fantasy option, which is at the middle of your screen, and make sure to sign into your FPL account. Now if you want to change your country, then normally you will tap on the more option, then tap on manage account. Now tap on Update Personal Details. Here you have all the details such as first name, last name, gender, and you also have the country/region of residence. Now, if you want to change your country, tap on this drop-down menu, and from here you can simply select whichever country it is that you want to change into. Once that is done, tap on Update Personal Details option. Now, if you are not able to find this option in your FPL app, then all you want to do is head over to the Play Store. Then you want to search for Premier League and make sure that your application is up to date. For this, tap on the Update option. Once you have updated the application, open it and check if this option is now available. If it is still not, then you want to open up your settings. Then tap on Apps. Tap on PL. Now tap on Storage, tap on Clear Cache, then tap on Clear Data and delete all of the app's data. After that, you want to open up the application and check if your issue is solved. If it is not, then over here on the More page, scroll down and tap on the Contact Us option. And from here, contact the customer support of FPL to resolve this issue. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.